Today we're back another video. 10 years ago from one of my favorite horses, and that's a Texas J-Star Massacre. Especially favorite first one classics. I love the first one, which one of my favorite horror movies of all time. So, start. We got Texas J-Star Massacre. Now, this is a 2x edition. But it was just a 2x special this. Pretty much. Oh, no. Hey, look at so weird, and look at that guy. It's pretty crazy. And look at his red face. Looks awesome. But I think it's just pretty much. I don't know. Let's move with the characters. Now we got the Texas Massacre 2, Dead Chopper. But pretty much when I look at Texas Massacre. Look at so weird. Look at the red face. What's this? Oh. What is directed by Todd Hooper. But also it's kind of like the first one, also the Poltergeist. Pretty much a bloody, but pretty much. Now this one. This is $1 and all the first Leatherface, the Chesapeake Massacre Suite. But this is the idea after part 2 is in the goal. Is the story is finally. It looks so weird. Leatherface. I don't believe it. Hold on. So, produced by Ewan. Now, you want he pick up for 7 Chesapeake Massacre. But first I don't care. But don't. This is not favorite good one. Oh my god. Just look pretty much Texas J-Star Massacre the next generation. Here's a white with a bag. It's kind of like a sticker. Star Wars here, but I think this is one of his moment is screamy, but I don't know. That was really good, but he was sorry. Then you get the remake. This is the Texas J-Star Massacre remake. You want to print models. And look at Leatherface. That's awesome. So I think this is probably one of the favorite characters, but I don't know. I think Jackson was a great work. In love, he's spectacular with the sheriff. But the remake is a pretty good one. But trying to get the movie of the artist. Now pretty much the Texas Chainsaw Massacre remake. You don't care. Then we got the Texas Chainsaw Massacre to begin. Now, what a part of this? Never mind. Don't do anyone. Now, this is to be a prequel to the remake. But pretty much you will see it again. You see why it looks good. Now, you're gonna begin with the Leatherface mom with the baby Leatherface as you gonna get to work and smother the boss. Now, the Leatherface is about he's the first to pick up a jigsaw cuts his right. Those all made usually like for the remake. Pretty much those are pretty good. But now this one I got this one probably pretty cheap. Texas J-Star. Especially with Texas J-Star DD. Now, this is the place a director Sega choosing the Ranger. That fixes the pretty much those. Pretty much what we made. Then in the beginning, what happened with the classics I just here went there? Texas J-Star Massacre. But pretty much right. I heard you to go to skip for Rival's house to skip this truck. But I think so like a great part was Leatherface. You see the Leatherface so weird. Yoshi Jigsaw. Pretty much like a Texas Jigsaw remake. Pretty much a nose remake. And I don't know. I think it's a okay. Let me see. Leatherface. There's no Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Hold on. The old story of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Now, this is a more direct sequel to the Texas Chainsaw. You see the Leatherface saying, no, that's not really Leatherface, but pretty much a bloody. Hold on. Is he saying they're a monster? Wait a minute, Leatherface. Since he is a wheel. Oh, look at that. I didn't know what you wanted to Leatherface. So, that's a Texas Chainsaw Massacre, but pretty much like a Texas Chainsaw Massacre, but also the way make it pretty good and the director seeker. So, until next day, good day.